Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to 911 Rapid Response. Today's vehicle showcase is a new command vehicle for the Frederick Police Department out of Maryland. We took this vehicle for them and we flipped it. We're going to show you what we did. So starting here at the front of the vehicle, had some old annotated lighting on it, put M7 series on the front, a new light bar up there on the top, new easy scene lights, which are fantastic. They have a nice ramp up power. They're easy on the eyes. All colored lenses. This had a bunch of old 500, 508 series strobes on it. So we had to make backing plates on all the lighting, and then we powder coated them. And then every light, we put a plug in so they're easy removable for service purposes. So that's why there's a backing plate around all these lights, because there's not a direct replacement. So that's how we accomplish this. As we move around to the side of the vehicle, you're going to see the graphics that we did on it for them out of our market graphics department. Scene lighting, 360 camera system the whole way around it. This was a window here, and instead of removing it and redoing the side of the vehicle, we graphicked over top of it so you can't see through it, and then we plated it on the inside. Get around to the back of the vehicle, you'll see easy scenes again. Wheel and warning lights. They had some LEDs on it, which is just a brake tail turn, so we didn't remove those and change those, but we did all the warning lights. Up on top, you're going to see a camera system from Wilbert. That's a high def camera system, has pan, tilt, zoom on it. That's all installed here as well. And then if you look down the side of the vehicle, it's on a telescoping post. There's a green beacon down there on the side. The green beacon's for command use, so they'll put that up and they'll activate that if they're running this in a command type structure. So come on inside, we'll show you up inside. We did a bunch of stuff inside to the vehicle, and we'll finish up in there. I'm going to go over some things that we did in this vehicle. So on this wall over here, there was about 10 very old type screens on this wall. We changed this around, 2 big screens up top, 2 screens on the bottom, put workstations here. This is a joystick for a camera system, which is on a Wilbert tower on the back side of the vehicle. The vehicle is also equipped with cameras mounted on the vehicle the whole way around. So as you can see, it's being displayed up here. So networking and everything was done right here at 911 Rapid Response. This side over here, this was a big old server rack, horizontal server rack in here. We tore all that down and we made these compartments out of our Just Box It woodworking shop. These are maple wood compartments, and then sprayed with a bed liner material for the ruggability, and a nice storage area. And then I also have a shelf inside. Down here in the bottom, again, we removed the old screens, put new screens up, gave them working stations, dock stations here, and then computer mounts down underneath the bottom that they can set their laptops in when they come in to work. So they'll use this as a command type structure, dispatch type structure in here. As we move to the back of the vehicle, or back through the vehicle, this was another rack in here. We changed this, we made a door for this, and then we just made it a bunch of shelving, and there was a ton of wiring in here that we took out. So just gave them some more room. So we go through to the back. I'll sneak by you here. This server rack was actually over here. There was another wall through here. So this was all moved, all changed around, gave them outside access to a compartment here, and then built all this organizers and shelving for them to put things in and store stuff in. So we come around to the back. We got 2 big generators on either side of us here. They're monsters on either side of us. We took the generators out of this vehicle. It vibrated that bad that you couldn't really even talk like this in here. You couldn't hear each other think. So we took the generators out and we put airbags underneath the generators, and then set the generators back down, and we drastically reduced the noise in this area here. We have big screens we mounted on the back wall. This shows you all the 360 cameras that are mounted around the vehicle. We installed all the networking radio system in it. Those are all played through the speakers that you see here in the ceilings. And then also all the walls were redone, and we put whiteboard on all the walls, so all the walls you can write on them if you like to. So that gives you an idea what we did in here. Did a bunch of work in this vehicle for them. You know, new vehicles like this are $2 million. They have a very fraction of that amount of money changing this to get it to what they need without spending that type of money. So thanks for what you saw here. Thanks for everything. Customer's a great customer to work with. We enjoy projects like this. It challenges us, but in the end result, it comes out exactly like everybody wanted. So thanks again. We appreciate it. Make sure you keep checking out our YouTube videos, and we'll talk to you soon.